The choice for your flooring is an important one, as it has to be hard wearing, easy to clean, and of course look good. It's also going to stay for a long time, so you want to get it right first time. Now, there are many choices of flooring available. However, the choice of tiles ticks all the boxes. Among the flooring tiles available on the market, the one I always recommend is Porcelain. Porcelain is a dense material fired at very high temperatures, which makes it one of the strongest materials you can choose for your flooring. Thanks to advanced technology, porcelain flooring is waterproof and stain resistant. It's harder than stone, easy to lay, and comes in a huge range of patterns, textures, and sizes. Because of the range available, porcelain tiles allow you to achieve any look you're after. When talking tiles, porcelain is possibly the best product I can recommend for your flooring needs. Now let me show you a few options. Right on trend is Venetian terrazzo. The terrazzo style of flooring finds its origin in ancient Greece, but it was actually made glamorous a few hundred years ago in Venice, where it was embraced in the building of noble palaces. Terrazzo is created with stone chips mixed with a cement binder. Its colour and design can vary greatly depending on the stone size used and the colour added to the binder. Now, this kind of flooring is traditionally poured on site, but now being available in tiles, it's easy and cost effective for all of us to enjoy. This floor style works well with classic furnishing, but it's also perfect for a contemporary look, especially because of its colourful variations. Porcelain flooring offers the terrazzo looks in many colours and grains, as well as glossy, matte and slightly rough finishes. Especially appealing is the terrazzo look in very large format tiles, which work perfectly for both the floors and walls in bathrooms and kitchens. Porcelain terrazzo is easier to clean than the original. It's long lasting, more resistant, and the finish doesn't change colour over time. Terrazzo tiles are perfect to achieve a modern, trendy and very contemporary look. Stone flooring is another popular look that suits a wide range of home styles. The choices are so varied, but because some natural stones are softer than others, it's important to consider where to place them and how they'll perform in the home. Porcelain flooring once again offers the beautiful look but better performance than natural stone, plus consistency in pattern and colour. They are non-porous and harder than stone, meaning they don't stain and they're very durable. Darker stones offer a dramatic effect, adding elegance and a really edgy modern feel. Also, selecting a large format tile for your stone look allows you to achieve a stunning result. Nothing adds the wow effect to a house quite like marble. It's one of the most beautiful choices for your home flooring, but it can be quite expensive and tricky to maintain. A great alternative is porcelain tiles, bringing all the beauty of marble into the home in a durable and affordable material. The porcelain product reinterprets natural stone in an extremely faithful and accurate way, showing stunning and perfectly visible veins and texture throughout the entire surface. The look of white marble is classic and it's been welcomed in our homes for centuries. However, there are so many other choices to consider. I particularly love the stylish contrast that dark marble creates. The choice of dark marble is very dramatic, adding a strong and moody elegance to your home. The marble look works so well with many interior styles. It's the perfect backdrop for your furniture, and it's also a great choice for those who want to make a statement with their flooring. As you can see, the range of looks and styles available in porcelain tiles offers so many opportunities for your home. I encourage you to explore the possibilities that porcelain tiles can offer you. And to check out some really inspirational images, go to florum.com.